My name is Chris De Silva. I'm from Southwest Bindings, and today I'm going to teach you how to properly oil the die in your 7650. To get started, you want to disengage your locking handles on both sides. Step 2, remove your die. Just slide it out. Step 3, just apply a thin bead of oil across your pins. And step 4, just simply brush on the oil. You will want to run some garbage paper just to clean up any residue left behind. Lock your handles. And run some paper just to get rid of any residue that may be left behind on your pins. And your machine is good to go.